Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we reset guys mobile network setting in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to reset your mobile network settings, so how can you reset? Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we reset mobile network setting guys. So well, friends, I pause the video guys. So friends, now continue guys. How to reset guys mobile network setting. Guys, we will on our phone setting guys. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno mobile. Friends, click on guys your phone system setting, the last one. And friends, click on guys your reset option guys. You can see guys your mobile data means mobile network guys. We will tap here to reset. Then guys your setting will reset means your network setting has been reset in your phone. So friends, you can use guys your phone mobile network setting in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends have understood how to reset mobile network settings. So bye guys.